Moneywise Pig! Today's topic is about foreign exchange. Foreign exchange is just converting one country's currency into another. When might you want to do this? Well, perhaps you want to buy an item on the internet that is charged in another currency, or if you go on holiday abroad. Every currency in the world has a currency code and a currency symbol. For example, the code for the UK is GBP, which stands for Great British Pound or Pound Sterling. The symbol looks like this. Here in the UK we use the pound, also known as sterling, but other countries uses different currencies. For example, most of Europe uses the euro. This means I can't take my pound to Spain and spend it there directly. Instead, I must first exchange my pound for euro. But where do I go? Luckily, there are many places where you can exchange money. The obvious ones are banks, post office, and travel agents. But did you know that department stores and even supermarkets offer this service as well? You can do this in person at the shop, online, or over the phone. Instead of money, you can even have a prepaid card with the foreign currency loaded on it that you can top up when needed. Exchange rates are used to convert from one currency to another. When you go to a bank, you will normally see two sets of rates, a buy rate and a sell rate. The sell rate is the rate that the bank will sell foreign currency to you. So they give you foreign currency and you give them local currency. You normally do this before going on holiday. The buy rate is the rate that the bank will buy foreign currency from you. So they give you local currency and you give them foreign currency. You normally do this after coming back from holiday. Foreign currency equals to local currency times sell rate. Local currency equals to foreign currency divided by buy rate. Note, these are for the UK. In your country, you may need to switch the times and divide around. One quick way to decide is to ask yourself which is the bigger currency. Then you can times or divide accordingly. To see how it works, let's suppose we want to convert some money between pound sterling and US dollar. The bank offers a buy rate at 1.258 and a sell rate at 1.149. This means that if we exchange £100 for dollars, we will get 100 times 1.149, which is $114.90. If we wanted to change this back to sterling, we would get $114.90 divided by 1.258, which gives us £91.34. Note how you get less back. The buy and sell rates help the banks make a small profit. They are providing a money changing service, so fair enough, I guess. There is another way they can make money. This is how it works. Banks use interbank rates. They then do a markup on these rates to come up with the buy and sell rates. This markup means that it will cost you a bit more to buy foreign currency. The difference is their profit. For example, Bank B exchanges £100 for $118 with Bank A. Then Bank B exchanges $112 with you for £100. That means Bank B is up by $6. Just imagine how much they can earn with thousands and thousands of exchanges. Remember, exchange rates can vary from bank to bank, so shop around for the best deals. Good luck! That's all for now. Be smart piggies. Goodbye!